Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Josie and I'm back at you with another crochet tutorial video. So in today's video I'll be doing this quick half crochet half rubber band hairstyle. This hairstyle has become one of my favorite lately, and I think mainly because it's easy to do and budget friendly. So first and first, I'll go ahead and section my hair from ear to ear. So the front section will be for the rubber band and the back will be for the crochet. Also, I'll be cleaning my parts and smoothing the roots of my hair with some edge control. So first, I press section to make sure I have equal amount of hair before tying them up. So once I'm done with press sectioning, I'll go ahead and individually tie them up using a rubber band. Also, make sure to add oil to your rubber band to avoid breakage. So once I'm done tying them up individually, I'll go ahead and begin with the first, twirl it and add it to the second, twirl it and add it to the third to form a chain. Then finally secure it with a rubber band. So I'm done with the first row. I'll go ahead and repeat for the rest of the front section. So I'm done with the first two rows. I'll go ahead and repeat this for the rest of the front section, and I'll be back when all is done. So here I'm done with the front section of the rubber band section. I went ahead and braid the rest into a cone row, and we are ready to install our crochet. So for the hair, I'm using a braid out hair. I really love the curl pattern on this. There's also a great alternative if you want a quick, beautiful crochet hairstyle, but you want a budget. So don't be quick to throw away your braid out hair because it can really be useful. So now moving on to the easiest part of this tutorial, crocheting the hair in. I'm just doing a simple basic crochet And you know the drill, I make sure to double knot to secure it better. Now the first crochet is installed, I'll go ahead and install the rest of the hair, and I'll be back when I'm done. So that's after crocheting all the hair in, and let me tell you, this hairstyle is one of those hairstyles you can't go wrong with. No matter how you do it, it still comes out looking great. So after doing my edges, I went ahead to add in some water. It's basically water, it's just water. It helps to tame the hair and also prevent it from tangling. I know it's not human hair, but this really helps. So this here is optional. You can choose to trim the ends or not, and you'll still be good to go. So that's the final look. I think it came out looking cute and beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up and follow me on all my socials. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, be smart, be creative, and be beautiful.